love, it was painless. Show me fake love, it was shameless. I should've known that we would never make it. Now my heart is cold.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, you know Jeffrey's been somebody's bitch for the past 3 weeks, right?
I know.
Yeah.
Hey,
What's up, CJ?
What's up? What's up, man? Wanna go to prison?
What?
Nah, pick up Jeffrey. He's touching down today. You wanna roll?
Yeah, for sure. What Jeffrey doing locked up anyway?
We'll talk about that later, man. Let's roll. We're late.
Two 2,000 years later.
Hey, I've been waiting forever, man.
Hey, there that fool go.
Look at this fool, man. Perpetrating like he banging.
Think he hard. He got it.
Oh, I tell you.
I know that fool can't be serious.
Hey, what's happening with you, Jeffrey? Hey, man, it's OG Loc, homie. OG Loc. My bad. How was it, though, homie? Man, what you think? How was it?
Hey, chill out, dude. So what you wanna do now?
Man, I gotta kill some chola motherfucker. He was dissing me, man.
Hey, Jeffrey, I thought you was going to, college.
Man, fuck you. Motherfucker done stole my rhyme. He's in East Flores. Hey, give me a strap.
Man, why don't you stalls out with that shit and get in the car, fool?
Now you a free man and all. Man, I ain't free. My parole officer lined me up with a job.
Motherfucker always trying to keep a player down.
You got that right. Still, ain't so bad. I'ma be a hygiene technician.
Coming up in the world, huh?
Just a stepping stone to greatness. This is the spot. Ain't this Fargo's hood? Man, I don't give a shit. I'm gangsta.
Come on, let's leave Low to deal with Captain Low.
Hey, I'll stick. I think you getting high on that country air, man. With Jeffrey, I mean, Low.
Okay, cool. I'll see you guys back on the set.
Hey, Lo, hold up.
Jeffrey, you got the wrong idea, man. That was just a prison thing. I got plenty of muchachas on the outside. I don't need your scrawny ass.
Man, ignore him. CJ, I don't know what he talking about. Hey, yo, give me back my rhymes, you thief. I'm gangsta.
You dropped the soap, sugar. I don't know nothing about any rhymes.
Hey, motherfuckers making a run for it. Hey, Lo, get back here, nigga, you crazy. Hey, yo, back off me, CJ. I gotta protect my rep.
Stop it. Get some help.
Used to be endangered, but the funkers brought me back. Now I'm a special species, the funkus. And I'm all
Chase me, chase me.
Calm down, you're talking to the Funkapus. Go ahead on, talk.
I really love your show, but how do I get on the party ship? What time does it leave? I have my own pod, if that helps.
Hey, this is the ship. You own the party. Listen to the music.
No, I've been trying to leave here for ages. My car's been stolen 18 times. Where's the ship? Music doesn't connect. Paranoia does. Worry. Do you hear me? Worry.
Listen, there ain't no worries.
I like the fast ass, not the slow ass. I thought you were king, Cooper.
What you got to say?
Don't you say a damn thing, CJ. Was you lonely, Lo? Hey, I like a nice mustache myself. I keep it real, unlike you fake-ass motherfuckers. Come on, gangster. Let's get back to the Grove. Nah, I can't. I gotta go and sign in for this damn job. Whatever you want. You wanna ride anyway? Sure thing. Let's roll.